Hello everyone, welcome back to All Things Nola. My name is Nola and I am so glad that you could be here with me today. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I have moved and this is a new apartment tour slash apartment haul, and I'm super excited to bring these things to you today, this video to you today, because this is like a huge step in my life and I'm literally gonna have like a whole testimony video, because girl, I know I missed last week, but it's been crazy. Like, God has been moving so much in my life and I'm just like, it's mind-blowing. So I want to share that with you. So this will be the first in a lot of, apartment stuff. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna keep this series going, but it's gonna go for a little bit, just a little bit, So excuse the way I look. I've been driving all day, no makeup. I have a little mascara on, but probably should have put lip gloss on, but whatever. So yeah, I'm actually in my brand new apartment right now, as you can tell by the background. Like I said, I'm super excited, and don't mind the echoing in the background. It's because it's completely empty in here. So without further ado, if you are interested in watching, or if you're interested in this video, just keep on watching. Hey, welcome to my new apartment. So right here is the front door. I really like the front door. It's just a white front door. Mind you, I just moved in today and I already have a package. This is my internet that's going to be hooked up as soon as possible. So once you walk into the apartments, this space right here is going to be like the dining room area. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it as a dining room. I'm probably gonna convert this area as a little desk area. I'm not sure. It may be both if I can do both, or one or the other. So yeah, come with me to the kitchen. So this is my kitchen. It's white cabinets. I love it so much. It's the white cabinet, so it's like a nice finish, and it's just really big. A lot of shelving space right here. I have one of these sinks, and I'm so happy that I do, because I just want this. It's so nice. It gives that luxurious feel. I love the sink. This is the stove, the microwave, and the refrigerator. Everything is literally empty, guys. I literally just moved in not too long ago, just a few minutes ago. I love the black, the backsplash of this. It's just gray. I wish it would have came all across here. It doesn't, but I'm okay with it. And this is my dishwasher. I didn't even open this yet. Let's see. It's just a regular dishwasher. So right here is my pantry. Super big, a lot of shelving space. And I like how I have this little nook right here. I think what is this, like a breakfast nook? I'm not sure. I'm going to have like 2 bar stools right here. And I like this because while I'm cooking, most likely my TV is gonna be mounted on that wall. So I'll be able to watch TV kind of. So that'd be cool. So coming out of my kitchen, you come into the living space. It's a fairly big space, which I love. And also peep the floors, guys. I love the floors. Super nice. I just really like it. So, and the walls are like a light gray, so it's gonna go with the aesthetic that I want for the house, or the unit. So my couch is probably gonna go like right here. It's probably gonna be on a nice big rug with a coffee table in front of it, with a nice coffee table in front of it. So the couch is gonna be right here, coffee table, and then my TV is going to be mounted on this wall once again. So that's kind of the feel that I'm going for. And my bar stools are gonna be right here. I wish this came out a little more. It does come out a little bit, but not as much as I want it to come out. Just all of this stuff is mine. But yeah, so this is cool, and come into my room. So this is how my room door looks like. It's just a plain white door. come in here, and this is the room. The fan's on. I don't know who's gonna fan. I'm my sister. But this is the carpet. The carpet is like so plush. Like it feels really, really good. I have a window here. I have a nice stainless steel fan that's on right now. And the first door right here looks like this. The first door right here leads into my bathroom. Oops, let me turn the fan off. So this is how my bathroom looks. So it's like super nice. I have like a tile rack thing right here. I have storage down here, and they go in pretty deep. I have this right there, and that, the toilet, the tub. The tub seems pretty deep, and this, I like how it's like a curve. It just gives that luxury feel, you know. And I have this right here. Now, with this part, I am a little tall. I'm only 5'7" though, but this is like, I have to kind of bend down to kind of see my face. It's like, this would have been better for a shorter person, but you know, I'm just gonna make it do what it do. So that's my bathroom and my closet. My closet is huge. It literally could be a room on its own. Like, it's so big. Those are the shelves. And y'all, I have plans for this room. Like, it's so nice. I can put clothes all right here, all right there. There is some room right here. So I don't know, I might do something here. Is it weird if I put like a makeup vanity right here?
No, is it gonna be too hot for you to like be in here?
Oh yeah, it might be hot. But yeah, just I'm throwing out, you know, ideas. So that's that, because it's like so huge in here. And I love these shelving units. So a lot of my shoes, purses, maybe some jewelry is gonna go on these shelves. They're gonna be really, really cute. So yeah, that's all for my apartment. So yeah, that's my apartment. I'm super excited. I feel super blessed. Like, this is something that God did for me in a very quick amount of time. Although now that I'm looking back on it, He's been preparing me for this move in particular since the beginning of this year. He's been setting me up. So I'm just I'm very, very grateful. I feel very, very blessed. And I'm just like, thank you, Lord, that I have this now. So thank you guys so much for watching.